Future Exploration Plan – Sustainable Habitat on Mars. Here is the demonstration of our Sustainable Mars Habitat System. Surviving on Mars relies on two key elements: oxygen and energy. In the greenhouse space, we produce oxygen to ensure the growth of crops. We monitor the temperature, humidity, oxygen, carbon dioxide levels, and ambient light, along with soil temperature and humidity. These real-time data are displayed on the screen. We can take the temperature probe out and heat it up. Then the real-time data on the screen is increasing. The oxygen is produced in the greenhouse. It is steadily supplied to the living base and the energy station. In the energy station, the most important tasks are storm detection and solar energy collection. The collected energy can be stored and supplied to the greenhouse base and living base. So the living base can receive oxygen and energy supply. There is an identity recognition function in the living house where the light changes once an identity is detected. Additionally, we monitor the oxygen levels and ultraviolet radiation inside the capsule. There's also an outdoor camera monitoring the surrounding environment. All this data is displayed on the dashboard. Besides, we also have a remote control that allows us to manage the IoT devices. In the living base, the light button controls the lights. You can see the light status here. And there is also a display of switching status on the dashboard. In the greenhouse space module, we can turn the water pump on or off to control smart irrigation. In the energy station, we have a simulator to detect Martian storms and provide a warning to ensure the safety of the entire habitat.